The silent predator, secrets of the scorpion. In the remote corners of deserts, deep forests, rocky crevices, and even within the walls of our own homes, a small yet ancient creature moves with stealth and precision. It is feared, misunderstood, and yet, it holds secrets that science is only beginning to unlock. This is the scorpion, one of nature's most resilient and enigmatic predators. The scorpion has been roaming this earth for over 430 million years, surviving mass extinctions, climate changes, and the rise and fall of empires. It predates the dinosaurs and has barely changed in form since its prehistoric ancestors first crawled from the oceans onto land. With a body built like armor, pincers that grasp with force, and a curved tail tipped with venom, the scorpion is a masterpiece of evolution, a creature perfectly designed for survival. Scorpions are arachnids, closely related to spiders, mites, and ticks. There are over 2,000 known species of scorpions, each adapted to a specific environment. Some are tiny, barely the size of a fingernail, while others stretch up to 8 inches in length. Most are nocturnal, emerging only after the sun sets and the air cools. Under the cover of darkness, they become efficient hunters, using vibration-sensitive hairs and specialized sensory organs called pectins to detect prey. Their favorite meals include insects, small lizards, and sometimes even other scorpions. Despite their reputation, most scorpions are not lethal to humans. In fact, of the thousands of known species, only around 25 have venom potent enough to pose a serious threat. Yet the fear of scorpions runs deep in human culture. Their appearance, alien-like and armored, evokes caution. Their sting, swift and often unexpected, has made them symbols of danger in mythology, astrology, and folklore. But to see only the danger is to overlook the wonder. Scorpion venom is a complex cocktail of proteins and neurotoxins, and scientists have found that within this venom lie incredible medical possibilities. Researchers have discovered compounds that can target cancer cells, kill harmful bacteria, and even alleviate chronic pain. In some cases, scorpion venom is being used to create tumor paint, a glowing dye that helps surgeons find and remove cancerous tissue with pinpoint accuracy. What was once feared as a deadly sting is now being embraced as a possible cure. In the ecosystem, scorpions play an essential role. They are both predator and prey, controlling insect populations and providing food for birds, rodents, and reptiles. Their resilience is unmatched. Some can survive on a single insect meal for months, while others have adapted to freezing temperatures or the scorching heat of the desert. They can slow their metabolism to a near standstill, enduring droughts and starvation with a patience that defies logic. Even more fascinating is their ability to glow under ultraviolet light. A mysterious chemical in their exoskeleton causes them to shine a bright blue-green when exposed to UV rays. Scientists still aren't sure why they glow. It may be a form of communication, a way to detect light levels, or even a defense mechanism against predators. Yet for all their strengths, scorpions face threats. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change are impacting their populations in subtle but significant ways. In some regions, people kill them out of fear, not realizing that many scorpions are beneficial to the environment and pose no real threat to humans. In captivity, scorpions have become exotic pets for enthusiasts. Their quiet nature, low maintenance needs, and alien beauty attract those who seek a connection with nature's more mysterious creatures. But they are not for the faint of heart. Handling them requires knowledge, respect, and care. One wrong move, and their tail may remind you why they have survived for hundreds of millions of years. The scorpion is not a monster. It is not a villain. It is a survivor, a sentinel of nature's ancient past. Its sting can kill, yes, but its venom can also heal. Its form is alien, yet perfectly crafted by nature's hand. To study the scorpion is to glimpse the poetry of evolution, the balance of fear and fascination, and the potential locked within the smallest of creatures. It moves in silence. It thrives in the shadows. And though many may fear it, the scorpion demands not our terror, but our awe. In a world that often looks for power in size, the scorpion reminds us that strength, mystery, and endurance sometimes come in the smallest, quietest forms.